Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have come up with 20 MCQs on fundamental rights with special reference to Article 21 of the Constitution. So let's start. Question number 1. Right to life under Article 21 includes option A, right to remain alive, option B, right to live with dignity and includes all those aspects of life which go to make a man's life meaningful, complete and worth living, option C, right to breathe. The correct answer is option B. Right to life includes right to live with dignity and includes all those aspects of life which go to make a man's life meaningful, complete and worth living. Question number 2. Which of the following article of the Constitution guarantees equality before law and equal protection of law to any person within the territory of India? Option A, Article 15, option B, Article 14, option C, Article 17. The correct answer is option B, Article 14. Article 14 of the Constitution provides right to equality. Question number 3. Which article of the Constitution incorporates Dicey's concept of rule of law? Option A, Article 21, option B, Article 14, option C, Article 16. The correct answer is option B, Article 14. Question number 4. Article 14 guarantees equality before law to whom among the following? Option A, citizens, option B, citizens and foreigners, option C, citizens and NRIs only. The correct answer is option B, citizens and foreigners. Article 14 guarantees right to equality to all the citizens and foreigners. Moving on to question number 5. The concept of dash requires the state to give special treatment to persons in different situations in order to establish equality amongst all. Option A, equal protection of law, option B, equality before law, option C, both A and B. The correct answer is option A, equal protection of law. Since all persons are not by nature, attainment or circumstances in the same positions, Article 14 empowers state to treat different persons differently if circumstances justify such treatment. This is called doctrine of reasonable classification and it says that protective discrimination is also a facet of equality. Moving on to question number 6. The expression equality before law means option A, it is a negative concept which implies the absence of special privilege in favor of individuals and equal subject of all classes to ordinary law of the land. Option B, it permits classification among citizens for certain privileges. Option C, neither A nor B. The correct answer is option A. Equality before law is a negative concept which implies the absence of special privilege. Question number 7. The expression equal protection of law is a dash concept. Option A, negative, option B, positive. The correct answer is option B. The expression equal protection of law is a positive concept. Question number 8. The words procedure established by law under Article 21 means option A, procedure laid down by a competent authority. Option B, due process of law must be followed. Option C, law which is reasonable, fair and just. The correct answer is option C, law which is reasonable, fair and just. Question number 9. In which case it was held that right to life does not include right to die? The correct answer is option A, Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab. In this case of Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab, court held that right to life under Article 21 does not include right to die. Question number 10. In which case it was held that sexual harassment of a working woman in workplace amounts to a violation of rights under Article 14, 15 and 21 of the Indian Constitution. The correct answer is Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan. In this case, Supreme Court of India delivered a very landmark judgment laying down certain guidelines to be followed by establishment in dealing with complaints about sexual harassment in workplace. Question number 11. In which case it was held by Supreme Court that passive euthanasia can be allowed under exceptional circumstances under the strict monitoring of the court. The correct answer is option A, Aruna Ramchandra Shanbhog versus Union of India. Question number 12. In which case it was held by Supreme Court of India that right to die with dignity is a fundamental right. The correct answer is option B, Common Cause versus Union of India. In this case, court held that right to die with dignity is a fundamental right. Moving on to question number 13. In which case the Supreme Court of India held that right to life includes the right to education also. The correct answer is option A, Mohini Jain versus State of Karnataka. Question number 14. In which case the Supreme Court of India held that equal justice and free legal aid of an accused person is a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution. The correct answer is option A, Husainara Khatun versus State of Bihar. Moving on to question number 15. In which case the Supreme Court held that right to livelihood is included in Article 21. The correct answer is option C, Olga Tailis versus Bombay Municipal Corporation. Question number 16. In which case it was held by Supreme Court that right to a speedy trial is guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution. The correct answer is option A, Husainara Khatun versus State of Bihar. Moving on to question number 17. Considering the adverse effect of smoking on smokers and passive smokers, the Supreme Court in which case directed the prohibition of smoking in public places. The correct answer is option C, Murli S. Deora versus Union of India. In this case, the Supreme Court directed the prohibition of smoking in public places. Question number 18. In which case it was held by Supreme Court that death penalty must be restricted to and given in rarest of rare cases. The correct answer is option A, Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab. In Bachchan Singh's case, the Supreme Court held that death penalty must be given in rarest of rare cases. Question number 19. In which case it was held that right to bail was included in the personal liberty under Article 21. The correct answer is option B, Babu Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh. Moving on to last question, question number 20. In which case court held that custodial torture would be impermissible, being offensive to Article 21. The correct answer is option C, D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal. Thank you for watching. If you like the content of my videos, kindly share, subscribe, like my channel. Thank you.